Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open a 1981 NFL Fleer Teams in Action football pack. There's 8 photo cards, 3 team stickers, and a stick of bubble gum. You know that the bubble gum is probably going to wreak havoc on these, but I'm going to open it up and see if we can pull anything worthwhile out of here. There's your bubble gum that absolutely will not come off these cards. Still looks pink though. Minnesota Vikings, New York Jets, and the Green Bay Packers are my stickers. This looks pretty nice. There's the 1981 schedule on the back. We have the Seattle Seahawks takedown. Houston Oilers, wait a minute. Green Bay Packers, sandwiched. Philadelphia Eagles, Birds of Prey. Super Bowl I. I pulled one of those out of that 1978 pack I had the other day. The Overview. Super Bowl VII with the perfect Miami Dolphins. And the Dallas Cowboys headed off at the pass. It's that doomsday defense of the day. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.